AI influencers are here, and Higgsfield just released their AI Influencer Studio that allows you to create realistic AI influencers. You can also make mixes with creatures and strange characteristics. Not only that, but you are also able to earn money through Higgsfield Earn just by creating AI videos with Higgsfield and posting them on social media. This is pretty amazing, and this is a new money-making AI opportunity. Let's check it out together. So this is the AI Influencer Studio. This is one unified character builder. We can see different character types. We can add in a detailed prompt to generate exactly what we want for our AI influencer. And we can also see pre-made templates here. For example, Briar. We can see its characteristics, and we can go ahead and do an edit with Nano Banana Pro or generate a video using it. You can also, in this place, go ahead and customize the character. There are a lot of pre-made templates for you to use and take inspiration. And all of these are pretty amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the prompt and I'm going to select create new. A blonde girl with red eyes and a triangular face. I'm just going to keep it very general. We're going to go ahead and click the generate button, and our generation is added to the queue. One of the most important things to understand here is that you can select the character type, you can select the gender, the ethnicity, the skin color, the eye color. Literally, you have the builder or the prompt option. I'm going also to check out the builder to give you a better look of what the builder could create for our instance, but literally have so many customization options that it is insane. And we get 30 free generations. Look at this. This is so beautiful. This is so realistic. Brunette girl, red eyes, triangular face. This is pretty amazing. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to generate a human. I'm going to select female. I'm going to go with Middle Eastern skin color. This one. I'm going to go with these purple eyes, freckles, and you can select multiple options here, which is pretty amazing. I'm going also to select albinism, and I'm going to select adult. So let's check out this generation just by using the builder. There is also the option of advanced settings where you can do all sorts of edits. You could literally create reptile influencers. You can create mechanical AI style influencers. Literally, the options are endless. You can edit everything you would ever want. Okay, so I'm going to get this influencer we created just before, and what I'm going to do is we can add an edit. So what we could do is make lips thinner, make the girl fatter. So let's click the edit button, and this is going to edit our influencer, and this is the influencer that we created just right now. This looks pretty amazing. One of the things you can do is you could share this image, add it to a folder, like publish it, or just download the image. You could do whatever you want. So I'm going to save this as influencer cover. I'm also going to rename it into albinism. This is very important because you can keep track of your progress. And let's see the edit we will do to our original influencer. So as we wait, I would like to do some kind of edits to this character using the builder. So what we could do is we could create some kind of elf. So we could do this kind of configuration. We could turn this into an African, possibly. We could change the color of the skin to something more dark, and we could change the color of the eye. So let's do these changes. Click generate, and our generation begins. Let's see what the results will be. First of all, we see the first edit of the previous girl. We asked it to be a little bit fatter, and this was exactly what was done. Also, we can see that the lips are a little bit thinner. So the edit is top grade. Like, you could literally create the exact influencer you want. This is so amazing. And by just clicking this button, you can turn this into a video. So you can click try free, and you could do a lot of motion library edits, and you can create an actual influencer and make money with it. So let's see what we can do. We can add a specific video for the motion we want it to copy. I'm going to go with 1080p, highest quality possible. We're going to use an image for the scene control. There are also advanced settings if you want to add a prompt or whatever. But what I'm going to do is search for a video from this library. So that's very nice. I see a lot of very nice edits and very nice motions. And of course, these are only going to get more and more. So I'm going to go with this. I think this is super viral. So we select it and we click generate, and we get 15 generations completely for free for this kind of video, which is pretty amazing. So just like that, I don't want to give you dirty ideas, but just like that, you can actually generate motion for your influencer. You have consistency because you have a high quality image for your influencer, and you also have motions which you can use as presets or record your own motions. And this is literally next level. You can create YouTubers, streamers, you can create podcasts with your influencer, you can become an OnlyFans model and make money with this influencer. Like, the possibilities are endless, and I really want to see what the final result of the video will be, because I think it's going to be something so insane. And I really want to test the edit. So here we got our albino freckles elf that is now African, and look at that. We went from this image, which was completely different, to this image that follows our exact edits. This is so amazing. This is so powerful, guys. Like, the quality out of all of these things are unprecedented. So I want to create one more influencer that is going to be interesting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a reptile. I'm going to make male, and I'm going to go with mixed race, skin color, total black, eyes. I would go with some kind of white eyes. And what I try to do here is I try to make a Skyrim-like character. So I'm going to go with mature, and we can change the body type. So we could make some kind of muscular person. We can also change the face. So we could, for example, go with reptile. We could change pretty much everything. Like, it's so insane. The options are nearly endless. Like, I got nothing to tell you. You can even change the hair. You can even change the style. It's so insane. Like, it's so insane. You could add tattoos, and you could go for render style. For example, you could go for something like hyper realistic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these options. I really have no idea what the result will be, but I want to create this kind of different character. I'm pretty sure everybody's generating women here. That's my guess, but I want to create something completely different that nobody else has done. And as we wait for this generation to happen, we can go back to motion control and search for the video we're going to use for our reptilian guy. So I think this video looks good. Like, this guy, dancing like that would be funny, or maybe this guy being like angry. That would be good. That would be interesting. So yeah, they got a lot of motions already, and I'm quite sure they're only going to add even more motions. So yeah, we're waiting for the video to be generated. We wait for our influencers to be created. Really, guys, this is one of the most insane things I ever seen. So while we wait for that, I want you to see this Higgsfield earn. So let's see how you can earn money with your AI influencer. 3 simple steps. You log in here with your social media account to verify your ownership. You post the video you created here, and you get money. Simple as that. And I'm going to actually upload an AI video on this channel to take place and take part in this competition. Maybe I will upload 2 videos in the next few days. So let's see how this will go. So let's click start now to check it out, guys. Here we can select I'm a YouTube influencer. We place our email here, and we're going to get a code. You go into your email, get the code, verify, and you can take part in Higgsfield Earn. They already have 2 campaigns, and they pay a quite big payout in both cases. So yeah, this is our reptilian guy. This looks so great. This is exactly what I wanted. So let's go ahead and add some motion using motion control to our guy over here. We're not going to add the girly dance. We're going to add, like, I don't know, maybe we will add this guy over here, maybe dancing, and we're going to click generate. We got another 13 generations completely for free. So let's see also how this video will be. This will take a little bit of time because I have selected the highest quality option, and both the video and the image are of high quality. So let's wait just a little bit. So let's check the first video that we just created. This is the guy moving, looks super great. It has no sound, but yeah, it's so realistic. It's pretty insane. And let's look at the second video. Like, this is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. It has music on the background, but due to limitations of YouTube, I'm not going to play the sound. So look at this. Smooth motion, looks great, absolutely amazing. Like, in all honesty, this tech could make you thousands of money. Like, you create an AI influencer on Instagram, run it over on TikTok, have some, private material, and you're good to go. Make sure to try Higgsfield on the link down below in the description.